Are you looking for the perfect MacBook to power your programming projects? Join me as I dive deep into the latest Apple offerings and determine which one reigns supreme for coders. From the sleek and portable MacBook Air to the powerhouse MacBook Pro, I'll break down the key features, performance, and value to help you make the best choice. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. MacBook Air 15-inch M3 2024. For coding, a larger screen offers more comfort, but portability can be a concern. The 2024 MacBook Air 15 strikes a great balance, providing ample screen space with its 15.3-inch display while remaining slim and light for a 15-inch laptop. It's less portable than the 13-inch MacBook Air, but still viable for travel and commuting. Despite the 15-inch Air being somewhat unexpected, its efficient use of space and fanless design make it practical. The M3 chip supports only one external display, but the built-in larger screen enhances multitasking and code visibility. The comfortable keyboard and trackpad add to its appeal. While some may prefer a larger or smaller device, this model offers an ideal blend of power, price, and portability for programming. Number 2. MacBook Pro 14-inch M3 2023. This MacBook stands out as the best MacBook for programming, balancing power, price, and portability. Released in November 2023, this model introduces the base M3 chip to the 14-inch Pro line, making it more affordable than previous generations with Pro or Max chips, yet still highly capable for programming tasks. Our tests revealed its impressive performance, with a bright 1,500-unit display ideal for long coding sessions. Despite its glossy screen, visibility remains excellent due to the brightness, and the 14-inch size is sufficient to avoid eye strain while being portable enough for travel. For those needing more screen real estate, the 16-inch model is an option. Additionally, for those requiring extra power, the MacBook Pro offers configurations with M3 Pro or M3 Max chips and up to 128 GB of RAM. Number 3. MacBook Air 13-inch M3 2023. While the 15-inch MacBook Air 2024 offers more screen space and is better for extended coding sessions, the 13-inch model is a top choice for those who prioritize portability. Its specs and performance are nearly identical to its larger sibling, with only a slight reduction in battery life, still offering over 16 hours of video playback. The M3 chip efficiently handles code compilation, and the screen is 25% brighter than the 2021 Air, improving visibility in sunlight. With MagSafe support for easy and safe power connection, this slim and lightweight laptop is perfect for coding on the go and is attractively priced. Number 4. MacBook Air M1 2020. For coders on a budget who don't need top-tier performance, the 2020 MacBook Air M1 is a great choice. It offers exceptional value and performance, often available at discounted prices. The M1 chip delivers smooth and fast operation, and the battery life extends well beyond a full day of use. Being fanless, it's silent during operation. Although the M1 has been succeeded by the M2, it still provides impressive performance for programming. It might not be ideal for intensive tasks like video or image editing, but it's more than sufficient for coding and general productivity. Number 5. MacBook Pro 16-inch M3 Pro 2023. For those needing a MacBook that handles more than just programming and offers the largest screen available, the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2023 is a top choice. It matches the 14-inch model in features, but offers the M3 Pro or M3 Max chips, a larger screen, and an extended battery. The bigger display is ideal for viewing extensive code or multitasking, and the added power supports video editing or 3D work beyond programming. It excels with a brighter screen, making it easier to work in sunlight, and the M3 Pro chip allows for dual external displays. Configurable up to 64 GB of RAM and 8 TB of storage, it also boasts the longest battery life of any MacBook, though it's the priciest option available. So, which MacBook is the best for programming? After careful consideration, the MacBook Pro 14-inch M3 2023 takes the crown. Its impressive performance, long battery life, and comfortable design make it a top contender for developers. But remember, the best choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Happy coding!